No! Please make it stop.
Oh my god, yes!
Welcome to Black Blizzard. So today I'm gonna be playing Black Blizzard by Crazyman50 or Karamal. So yeah, I got a lot of progress already on this level, but I never really got to finish it. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Also, I want to apologize that my commentating isn't that good. I know it doesn't sound very enthusiastic most of the time, but you know, it's my first video I record in English and I'm just trying out new things, so can't be perfect anyways, right? I've been playing this level for like 3 years on and off, and I started playing when I wasn't that good at the game, you know, when my hardest was like, I don't know, Super Sonic or some shit. I also have a lot of attempts. You might know this level as like one of the best extremes or the most fun extremes, and I would agree with that, because like from the drop on everything is like super fun, especially the duel part, but the first like 40% and especially like the first minicube is like so much more difficult. It's a very unique style of gameplay, that's what Karamal is basically known for, but it really is a pain in the ass. Like these timings, I don't know man, they're so hard, and also that you have to use your spacebar in addition to the mouse or whatever device you're using, it's so hard. And also what you can read from the title, this level is just completely broken from 2.2. Ever since we got the new version, this level just doesn't work properly anymore. There are like so many bugs. For example, this fucking staircase, sometimes you just die at the top of it for no reason, which used to work perfectly in 2.1. Also this bullshit, what the fuck even happened, man? It just doesn't work sometimes, and I don't know why. It's just so annoying. I played this yesterday a bunch from zero just to get used to like the new physics, because it really plays differently. Oh my god! There's no way. So as I already said, I played this level like already 3 years ago. I dropped it so many times just because I just couldn't get consistent enough with the pre-drop, and basically that's the only challenge. You just have to keep pushing through the fucking pre-drop until you get like very consistent with it. And that's basically the challenge, just not take your own life while playing this fucking bullshit. So you might wonder, what the fuck is this guy even doing? Who the fuck is he? And you know, I like playing this game a lot, and I really like editing videos, so I thought why not combine these two things just for fun. Don't want to reach like a big audience or something, but I mean, why wouldn't I, you know? As long as I'm having fun, and best case scenario is that I can make at least one person laugh at this video or like be entertained. So I don't see any problem with that. So yeah, I relearned this level basically yesterday in like the shortest time. I think it was like an hour, and I did 23 to 100 2 times. Also, why I'm making this video is to keep me motivated to beat this fucking level, because I'm sick of dropping it over and over again, and now I have like one reason more to finally finish. Like, how does this fucking even happen? Go on? Yes. Oh, okay, don't fuck it up. I fucked it up. Oh, yes. What the fuck is happening? Oh.
Mädel oder so.
Me.
Nee, my favorite character ist
What?
Power.
Ehrlich sad, Mann.
Aber halt ein... Oh!
Nein.
So technically this would be like day 2 of me playing this level. Because as I already said, I just relearned the whole thing yesterday, and I think this level will definitely cost me like a few days, because you really need to get very consistent with the pre-drop, or especially with the first mini-cube. And I mean, unless I don't get really lucky, I think this will take a few days. I actually have a real-life story related to this level, which is very funny, I find. So might throw in a little story time in here. So back when I was in school, there were like these kids standing around me when I was waiting for someone, and suddenly this one kid with this like grey cap starts yapping about his cap and says like, I don't know, I think he said something like, guys, do you know why I like this cap so much? It's because it has the colors of my favorite level in GD.
Oh my god.
And as I heard that, I thought I was tripping, because like I thought to myself, what is he talking about? Is he really talking about Geometry Dash? Because it's not that popular at our school. And then he continues talking and says, yeah, its name is Black Blizzard, it's my favorite level in the game. It was so funny. I'm curious if this kid actually beat Black Blizzard, because he was like 12. Super Ballett. Alright guys, we are now on day 3, technically. I don't know how much I can play today, probably not that much. So I'm gonna set the goal a bit lower. I only want to get to the drop like at least one time today. As you can see, I added a little hand cam in the bottom, just to add like a little more personality. And I also thought it might be funny to see my hand in this like spammy part of the drop. Oh yeah, and don't look at my mousepad, it's very dirty, I know. Definitely have to get a new one soon. Oh my god, okay, let's just go from 0, man. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead again.
Black Blizzard is a very special level to me.
What? Man, what is wrong with my hands? Did this click, man? Like always. Like there's actually a decent chance that I fluke it. I really don't want to die like 98%, because man, there were incidents. Like who? Oh, again and again and again and again. Stop it, please make it stop, man. Man, this video is really gonna end up just being a rage compilation of myself. Enough with it. Just can't seem to get... Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god, there's no fucking way. There is no fucking way I just did that, man. I fluked it. I actually did it. Yes, man. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god! I got to the duel 2 times. 2 fucking times. Oh my god! Bro, that was so much quicker than I thought. So much quicker. It only took me basically 2 days. Oh my god! I've been playing for not even an hour today. Oh my god, there's no fucking way. You don't even understand how sick this is. Dude, what the fuck? What the actual fuck, man? I played this level for so long, I get so many attempts. I dropped it like over 3 times. And now I did it so quick. There is no way. Oh my god! Oh my god! Nah, you have no idea what this means. Oh my god, there is no way I got lucky with Black Blizzard after such a long time. Oh my god, I'm so happy, dude. Alright. I'm gonna add up the attempts now, this is really gonna hurt. So we got 17,616 attempts, which is like the second most attempts I've ever had on any level. With Artificial Ascent was like over 20k, but... yeah, but if you don't count like old attempts, it must be like 1,400 with the new copy, and I got like 10k, so 2.5k, which is like 4k at total. Man, I was breathing, bro. Bro, oh my god, I was so close to dying there. What the fuck did I do? Look at this fucking... what a reaction, dude, what a reaction. So yeah guys, that's the video. I beat Black Blizzard. I really hope I can make a fun video of this, and I hope you like it. If you want to see me beat another Extreme Demon, leave a like and a comment, of course. And yeah, see you then. Bye.